This is our next problem. If a1, a2, a3, etc. an is an arithmetic progression with common difference d, then evaluate the following expression. So our expression is tan inverse d by 1 plus a1 a2 plus tan inverse d by 1 plus a2 a3 plus tan inverse d by 1 plus a3 a4 etc. tan inverse d by 1 plus an minus 1 an. Okay, so this we have to evaluate. So first of all, we know that how to define a term, a particular term in a arithmetic progression. So a1 will be same as a, right? So a2 will be a plus d, a3 will be a plus 2d, etc. Right? Okay. So from this, how to find out the common difference? How we are finding the common difference of an AP? Suppose we have the AP 2, 4, 6, etc. Then common difference of two terms in AP will be, so suppose this is A1, this is A2, then D will be A2 minus A1, that is 4 minus 2, that is 2. Clear? Similarly, here D will be equal to A2 minus A1. So A2 is A plus D minus A1 is A. So definitely we cannot substitute it because all are unknown terms. Okay, definitely we will not get a answer for that. So we'll just write the formula of common difference. Okay, so this is how we'll get the common difference. Okay, so for a1 and a2, common difference will be a2 minus a1. Same way for a2 and a3, common difference will be a3 minus a2, and for a3 and a4, d will be a4 minus a3, and for the last case, d will be an minus 1. So in our expression we can substitute d as that what we find out for that. Okay, so d for a1 a2, so for here the common difference will be a2 minus a1. So let's substitute that. Now for a2 and a3, it will be a3 minus a2. For a3 and a4, this can be a4 minus a3, and finally for an minus 1, it will be an minus 1 minus an. Fine. Now let's see here. We have tan inverse a2 minus a1 divided by 1 plus a1 a2. Okay. So is there any equations, formulas related with that? We have tan inverse x minus tan inverse y equals tan inverse of x minus y divided by 1 plus xy. We can just rearrange this according to this equation. Okay, and a slight variation will be there. So now you can see here a1 a2, if I am writing it as a2 a1, both will be the same, right? Because it's just a multiplication. So if we are taking a2 as x and a1 as y, then just rearrange this as a2 and a1. So this will be x, this will be y. Clear? There is no change happens for this value because it's multiplication. So when we multiply 1 and 2 or 2 and 1, both will give the same answer. Similarly, so just rearrange 3, 4. It's just to get the x value as this first term. Okay, clear? I hope it is clear for you. So now we'll substitute this expression over here. So this will be tan of tan inverse a2 minus tan inverse a1 plus tan inverse a3 minus tan inverse a2 plus tan inverse a4 minus tan inverse a3 plus etc. plus tan inverse an minus 1 minus tan inverse an. Clear? So this whole expression we can write as tan of tan inverse an minus a1. Okay, so we are just simplifying the whole expression as tan inverse an minus a1. Now this is also same as tan inverse x minus tan inverse y. So we are putting that expression here, tan inverse x minus y by 1 plus xy. So in place of x and y we are substituting an and a1. Now tan of tan inverse will get cancelled. So finally our answer will be an minus a1 divided by 1 plus an a1. Okay.